Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this My Steam Flag filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. So to get this effect, what you have to do, go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on this search button and search for My Steam. Okay, the first one, My Steam Flags, this is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from your effect gallery, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, go to your For You page and here search for My Steam Flags filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. Tap there, you will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect or you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect.
I saw someone else use this filter and
Okay, likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.